In this video, I'm going to show you the next steps in how to start DJing. So, it's How to Start DJing Part 2.
Hello.
Now that you understand a bit of musical structure and can manage to drop the first beat of one sequence of music exactly on the first beat of a second sequence of music, we can move on to the next stage. You now need to be able to identify which piece of music in which of your ears is moving faster and which is slower. Once you know which is which, you can adjust either one's tempo to match the other. The general idea is to speed up or slow down the piece of music you're listening to in your headphones to match the piece of music that's playing over the speakers. Once you have them exactly the same speed and playing in unison, you can transition from one to the other by raising and lowering the volume of each accordingly. And there, you've done your first mix. I should mention at this point though that there's quite a lot of skill and technical ability needed to firstly identify which music is faster or slower, especially the closer the tracks get to being exactly the same tempo, as well as the dexterity needed to speed and slow the deck with your hand, and the precision required to set the pitch correctly. This will take hours of practice and dedication to get good at, but once you've got it, you'll never lose it. But let's look into that process in a little more detail. If the music in your headphones is too fast, you apply some friction to the deck to slow it down, and then move the pitch slider accordingly to slow down the record. Alternatively, if the music in your headphones is playing too slowly, push the platter forward and speed the music up with the pitch slider. When you say it like that, it sounds ridiculously simple, but trust me, it's a lot trickier than it seems to master. Once you've managed to do that, then it's just a continual back and forth between records, practicing again and again until it's like second nature and you can pull off smooth, perfect mixes every single time without fail. Once you're at this point, then it's time for the next video. Oh, and please don't forget to subscribe.